వేములవాడ పట్టణంలోని హాంసిని డీజే స్కూల్లో ముందస్తు సంక్రాంతి వేడుకలను శుక్రవారం ఘనంగా జరుపుకున్నారు. ఇందులో భాగంగా విద్యార్థులకు రంగోలి పోటీలు నిర్వహించగా విద్యార్థులు ఎంతో ఉత్సాహంగా పాల్గొని అందమైన ముగ్గులను వేసి మన సంస్కృతి పండుగ విశిష్టతను తెలిపారు. ముగ్గుల పోటీలో గెలుపొందిన విద్యార్థులకు పాఠశాల కరెస్పాండెంట్ నరాల సంతోష్ బహుమతులు అందించారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ఉపాధ్యాయులు విద్యార్థులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
In our school, we are celebrating Rangoli competition. We all are participating enthusiastically in this program. Rangoli, which brings liveliness, happiness, and positivity to the household, and welcome Lakshmi, the goddesses of wealth and goodness, one of the most Indian traditional art form. Rangoli with an array of colors. At last, I am thankful for my school management for encouraging in all aspects. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Akshay. I am studying in 9th standard. First of all, I wish you a very happy Makar Sankranti to all in advance. Today in our school, we are celebrating Rangoli competition. All the students are enthusiastically participating in this program. The Makar Sankranti is dedicated to the Hindu religion sun god. The Makar Sankranti is celebrated at the end of the harvest season and the beginning of the agriculture. All the students are participating in this program. I am thankful to our correspondent Santosh sir and our school management.
On this special occasion, we all participated enthusiastically. Rangoli means it is not just an art, it is the life of the people. Rangoli is full of colors that represents our Indian culture and our life. Rangoli also is the main festival of our country. The word Rangoli is derived from the Sanskrit word Rangavalli, and this is called in different languages in different states of our country. At last, I am sincerely thankful to our correspondent Santosh sir Garu.
Today in our school Hamsini, we are celebrating Rangoli celebrations in the part of Sankranti festival. In this, all our students from class 6 to 10 participated, and they came with very beautiful Rangoli patterns, and this indicates especially our tradition and culture. They given message with this also. I hope all students are very happy, and we finally made today is a very joyful day for us. So if we follow this, what we want to tell, everybody should follow our culture, tradition, and give respect to our festivals. So with these children, especially lower class children, they can understand the importance of our culture. I hope they feel very happy. Thank you.